Ma'am, so recently the special parliamentary session, they passed a bill about Women's Reservation Act. So what do you think about it and what's your opinion as a woman about it?
According to me, it was very much required, and it's, according to me, a historic milestone to bring in, thinking of bringing in 33% reservation to women. This will definitely improve the quality of governance, first thing, and also leads to women empowerment, which is actually the basic idea. But what I have in my mind, the concerns I have is this 33% women reservation bill should give way to voiceless women to be represented. Women who who are like, just some ordinary professionals, ordinary homemakers, you know, like, a nurse in a hospital, just the idea of she being sent to state. Imagine she knows the problem of the hospital where she's working, someone like her, or a school teacher, or even a civic worker. So these kind of people who do not have visibility, they commoners, as you call them, they should come under, there should be a system to recognize such people, and housewife, homemaker. These kind of women should get representation. I'm sure then that will be real inclusive government, and then I think there will be no stop in making India a real great nation. Central person as a homemaker, she knows the challenges of raising a family. So I'm sure she will be able to give social justice in a better way than a man, because women understands things holistically. She, as a mother, as a sister, as a teacher to her children, or as a professional, I think definitely women will do a great job, and it's a great move.
Yes, I think it is necessary because in our government, I mean, in our parliament, only 1/3 of the seats are reserved for women, as far as I am aware of. But now that the bill has been passed in the lower house, I think it will be effective in the near future because women get a lot of opportunity due to this, especially in the elections and all this government stuff. So I think it is a good move from the government, so that not only for the women in general, it is also helpful to all the underprivileged women who are there in our country. You know how women are not given equal opportunities and the right place for them to speak out. I think, yeah, this will be effective in the near future. I hope this passes in the upper house as well.
So women's reservation bill is a very good initiative by the government, and I think women should get whatever reservation is there, like 33%. So they should get the reservation because I think it's been a long time that women have not been into power. So I think they should get the power to, and we can also assess like how they conduct things and all of that in the working of the government. So I think, yeah, women should get the reservation.
I think they should discuss that because women coming in government is will play a very important role in government, because as they say ki once man buys the house, and after buying the house he looks for the next opportunity, but after woman buys the house, she looks to improve that house, how we can improve that. So I think this quality of woman will play a very important role in government. So I think, yeah, the 33% reservation will be very good and will be very helpful for our India and Indian government.